Hello, so fam. Say no to boring necklines.
Welcome to my channel. Come, let us draft different types of neckline. So I'm drafting the asymmetric neckline. So what I'll do, I will have to draft a normal neckline base of 4 by 2 inches, like so. I will do the same to the other side of the neck. Okay, I'll do the same to the other side of the neckline. Okay, so I will connect it like so. So after connecting, I will come down by 4 inches, or at the mid armhole line I'll just go in by 2 inches. Okay, you go inward by 2 inches. So I'll bring my French cuff to connect the neckline. So I'll just connect it like so with my French cuff. See the way I'm connecting it? You connect it like so. So make sure you open all your basic bodies, your basic pattern, open it up. So then the other side, I will just put my French cuff like so, and I'll connect it and meet that line. Okay, so I'll use my French cuff and connect the asymmetric neckline like so. It's very simple. Okay, this is now my asymmetric neckline. So what I'll do is I will cut out the neckline pattern. Okay, so I am cutting it out. So please, if you are just new, please subscribe to our channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give me a big thumbs up. So here is the asymmetric neckline. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Now to draft the queen and neckline, so you are going to go in with a value of 4 inches as the neckline width. Then you come down at the mid armhole by 2 inches, go inward by 2 inches. Then you use your French cuff to connect the neckline like so. So you can go down by 8 inches or 7 inches if you know if you want the neckline to be very deep. Then you use your French cuff to connect the neckline like so, and you cut out the neckline pattern like so. It's very easy. Okay, so you cut it out like so. So here is the queen and neckline tutorial. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. So let me know in the comment section. So draft the monostrap neckline. So what you do is you go in the value of 4 inches, then you open up your bodies like so. So I'm marking 4 inches the depth of my neckline like so. I will just connect it like so. Okay, so after connecting it, I will now use my French cuff to connect it connect the monostrap to the other part of my bodies. Then I will cut out the monostrap neckline. Okay, so please say no to boring neckline. You can experiment with different types of neckline. Okay, so draft a plunging neckline. So you go in with a value of 4 inches, then you come down by 8 inches or 9 inches for your plunging neckline. So after you have marked that, so you bring your French cuff like so. You see the way I place the French cuff? Okay, you see how I place it? So you connect it like so. Your plunging neckline doesn't have to be too wide. Okay, it's going to be just very deep. Okay, yes, to get rid of neckline gap, so you go in by 4 inches, then you go out by 1/4 of an inch like so at the outside. Then you connect as if you are connecting your dart like so. Okay, this helps get rid of neckline gap. Okay, so then when you close it, you can now retrace your plunging neckline. Okay, then you pin it out like so. After pinning it out, you cut out your plunging neckline. So this neckline, this gaping, you can also use it for your off the shoulder neckline. Okay, this helps make your neckline lay flat on your chest line without coming out. Okay, without being puffy. Okay, it will make your neckline slip and contour around your bust area. So this neck gap is very good when you are drafting a plunging neckline, off the shoulder neckline. Okay, you make sure you gap your neckline. Okay, so here is our plunging neckline. I hope this tutorial was helpful.
So let me know what neckline type is your favorite. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Now to draft the square neckline, so you're going with a value of 4 inches, then you come down by 6 inches like so. So after you come out like 6 inches, take your ruler and you rule it out like so. You connect the neckline width, connect it down. So after you connect it down, you will now cut out your square neckline. So let me know your favorite neckline in the comment section. Let me know if it's the asymmetric neckline, the queen anne neckline, the square neckline. So let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. So here is our square neckline. I hope this tutorial was helpful.
To draft your scoop neckline, going with a value of 4 inches, then you come down by 5 inches or 4.5 inches. So after you connect it like so, you use your French cuff to connect it like so. This is how to draft your scoop neckline. So after you connect it, then you cut out your scoop neckline. All these necklines are so easy. They are so easy to draft. Okay, so here is our scoop neckline. I hope this tutorial is helpful. So let me know if scoop neckline is your favorite neckline. Then for the scallop, you go in with a value of 4 by 5 inches, then you connect it like so. So after you connect it, so you mark 1.5 inches like so, then you use your French cuff and make a scallop neckline, make a scallop design. So I will go up by 1.5 inch, then I will make another scallop design like so. It's very easy. You make another scallop design. So I will go upward my neckline and I'll make another scallop design. So after making the scallop design I want, I will just cut out my scallop neckline. I will cut it out like so. I'll cut it out like so. It's super easy. So let me know if a scallop neckline is your favorite neckline. Let me know which one is your favorite neckline. Okay, so I'll cut it out. It's super easy to cut out. So here is my scallop neckline. I hope you find this neckline helpful. So to draft my halter neckline, I'll go in with a value of 4 inches and I'll connect it to my armhole like so. You see, so I'll come down by 1 inch, then I'll connect the neckline. Okay, so here is my halter neckline. Here is my halter neckline. So after connecting that, I will just cut out my halter neckline. So let me know if halter neckline is your favorite neckline. So let me know. So feel free to ask any question in the comment section. I will definitely answer you. So to draft my V neckline, I'll go in with a value of 4 inches, then I'll come down by 5 inches, then I'll just connect my French cuff like this. So you see the way I connect my French cuff in a V-shaped manner. So after connecting it, I will cut out my V neckline. So see, this is here. So here is my V-shaped neckline. So cut my surplice neckline. So I will just extend that V-shaped neckline to my other side of my body, and I'll cut it out. And this neckline is commonly used a wrap top. Okay, so you place this surplice neckline on another pattern, then you trace out your neckline and your surplice pattern, and you cut out the neckline like so. So this is our surplice neckline, known as the wrap top neckline. You can use it for wrap top. Okay, so let me know if this surplice neckline is your favorite neckline or the V-shaped neckline. So please hit the subscribe button. We have come to the end of the tutorial, so thank you for watching.